Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will let you know how to pierce your ear with safety pin. Place a dot on your ear where you want the piercing with a marker. Look in a mirror and find the spot on your ear lobe that you want to pierce. Use a fine tip marker to make a dot on your ear so you know where to put the safety pin later on. Hold ice against ear to help numb the pain. Wrap a towel around 1 or 2 pieces of ice and hold it against the front of your ear. Keep the ice there for 5 to 10 minutes or as long as you can handle to help numb your ear so it does not hurt as much when you pierce it. Use another piece of ice to numb the back of your ear as well. Hold an eraser behind your ear to protect yourself. Use a clean new razor or a cork so you transfer any contamination or bacteria when you pierce your ears. Push the pin through the mark until it pokes out of the other side. Hold the pin in your dominant hand and watch yourself in a mirror so you can see what you are doing. When you are ready, take a deep breath and exhale. As you exhale, carefully push the point of the safety pin straight back through your earlobe. Continue slowly pushing the pin through your ear until the point sticks into the razor. Clasp the safety pin as soon as it's through your ear so it does not fall down. Clean around the pin with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. After you have put the safety pin through your ear, wet a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol and slowly apply it around the new piercing. Put the alcohol on the front and back side of your ear to disinfect it and clean off any blood around. Remove the pin and put it an earring after 5 to 20 minutes. Let the piercing heal for at least 15 minutes after you put the pin through your ear. After 15 minutes, unclasp it and carefully pull it back out of the hole. Take a clean earring and place it straight through the hole and place the clasp on the other side to keep it in place. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.